In today's video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App with no fees. Now, Cash App allows you to avoid Bitcoin purchase fees by setting up an automatic investment instead of making a one-time purchase. And here's how you can do it. Now, let's get started. First, open Cash App on your device. Go to the home screen, scroll down, then tap the Bitcoin section. Then tap Buy to start a new purchase. Now you have to choose the amount you would like to invest. To qualify for fee-free Bitcoin purchases, you will need to switch the order type from a one-time purchase to auto invest. Now you can either select daily, weekly, or every 2 weeks as your investment schedule. Keep in mind that auto invest requires a minimum purchase amount of $10. After selecting your investment amount and schedule, tap Next to review your order details. Now, Cash App will display the amount, the current schedule, and the time your automatic purchase will be processed. If everything looks good, tap Confirm to create your auto invest. And once it's completed, select Done. To view or manage your recurring investment, return to the Bitcoin page and tap Auto Invest. From there, you can see your investment schedule, change the recurring amount, or turn Auto Invest off at any time by using the toggle switch. Now, when you use Cash App's Auto Invest feature, your recurring Bitcoin purchases are processed with no Cash App fees or spread, making it one of the easiest ways to invest in Bitcoin regularly. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.